Hey there. We are the Blue Cross Blue Shield capstone team, and we're excited to show you what we've been working on. Blue Cross Blue Shield is in need of a training solution that can be used to consolidate many tasks that trainers use to train clients into one place. The current workflow involves trainers having to manually handle communication, progress tracking, and training schedules for their trainees. Utilizing a combination of Excel, Outlook, and OneNote, this process is not only time consuming, but also can be confusing. So we're putting it all in one place. We've been working on a web app that is able to not only fill this need, but also is intuitive for the user. Some tools that we've used include Visual Studio Code for programming, Microsoft Azure for our cloud-based database, and Jira for our progress tracking. For our first development phase, we were really focused on creating a good UI that was intuitive to use as well as responsive. We think we were able to do just that. We also focused on making sure our database was set up properly for connection in the second phase. In that phase, we spent most of the time connecting our application to the database as well as finalizing our application. Taking a look at how our database is set up, firstly, as I mentioned, our database is set up through Microsoft Azure, so we need a way to talk to the database from our application. We could have had a direct conversation with the database, but generally that is less secure. So we've created a backend service using a REST API that talks to the server from our client. This gives us the ability to sign in as a particular user, change courses, add participants to them, and anything else that would require us to talk to the database. Let's take a look at our application. At first, you're greeted with a login screen. Let's sign in as the participant. Here, you can see all the classes you, as a participant, are enrolled in. As you can see, displayed are the title, instructor, description, and date of the next meeting. Let's hit the View Details button. Here, you can see more details of the course, as well as a Meet Now button, which will allow you to join your team's meeting. Let's take a look at the My Progress page. Here, you will be able to see the courses you've completed, as well as the courses you're currently enrolled in. Notice that you're also able to view your completion, as well as the course details. Signed in as the instructor, you're able to see all the other courses available, as well as edit them. To do this, you can go to the Details page and select the Edit button near the top of the screen. This allows you to change details such as course title, description, participants, and meeting times. Thanks for listening.